Try to swallow the whole spoonful, okay? Put it in your mouth. Ready?
Yeah.
Carly,
close the door. Yeah, go.
Go, Andrea.
Swallow.
Swallow. Swallow.
Come on, you can do it.
Swallow.
You just spit it all out.
Water.
There's a cup right there.
Got it out.
Give me. Drink.
Water.
Andrew, here. There was cups in the bathroom.
Who's next?